class, so Dave here. I hope you're enjoying your much needed break. So as promised, here is a multicam tutorial. So the first thing that we're going to do when we open Premiere, we're going to go File, New Project. We're going to name it Multicam, or if you're working on Stacey's Ring footage, you might want to call it Stacey's Ring. I'm going to go Browse, and I'm going to make sure I know where I'm saving my project. So I'm saving it on the desktop in a Multicam 2 folder. I press Choose. Okay. Okay, the next thing is we're going to import our footage into the project down here. I find the easiest way is just to drag and drop. So I've got I'm going to highlight all my cameras here and I'm going to drag them in. So I don't actually have Stacey's Ring footage. I'm working with different multicam footage here. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag my first camera into the timeline over here. Okay, I actually have 4 cameras with this shoot. So the second one is I'm going to drag my second camera over the top, and third camera over the top, and fourth camera over the top. Okay. Now we need to sync all these clips. To do that, we're going to highlight all the clips. Then I'm going to right click, scroll up to synchronize. I am going to make sure audio is clicked down here and then press OK. Okay, now we can see all these clips have been synced together. The next thing I'm going to do with all the clips highlighted is I'm going to right click again and I'm going to nest them. So this is bringing them all together into one clip. Okay, I'm going to call this Multicam. Press OK. Okay, now there's a couple more steps that we need to do. So I'm going to right click again and scroll up to Multicam and I'm going to hit Enable. Okay. Now on our actual viewer we need to change the view that we can see. So up here I'm going to change it to multi-camera. Okay, so now we can see on the left hand side here I've got all my 4 cameras. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then on the right side, this is the actual video that's playing in the timeline. Okay, so to actually edit on the fly with multicam, all we need to do is click on the 4 boxes up here. So at the moment it's on camera 1. If I want to switch to camera 2, I'm just going to click on it. Camera 3, camera 4. So whatever camera is highlighted by the yellow box is the one that is actually playing in the timeline. Okay, so the best thing to do is actually just play through the clips and then do a rough edit on the fly, and then you can come back and tighten it up. Okay, so look, I'm just going to play from here. Cut to that camera. Cut to another camera. Cut to this camera. Cut back to this camera. Back to the wide shot. Okay, so look, that's just a little bit of a simple edit there that I've done. Okay, and if we look down in the timeline here, we can see that those edits have actually been made. So whenever I click on the boxes, that will splice them down here for me. Okay, so it's a bit of a playback of what we've got. If we're watching over here, we'll see the edits change. Okay, and once you've got a bit of a basic edit down, then you can go back and fine tune it. Okay, so for example, if I don't actually like camera 4 here, I might go, okay, no, look, let's just change this to camera 3, and I'll click on camera 3. This is turned into camera 3 now. But I also think it's coming too early, so let's just trim it a bit and extend camera 2. Okay, so once you get your basic rough edit down, then you just do the fine cut down here. Okay, so guys, I hope that has helped you all. Just if you've got any questions, just email and I'll respond to you as soon as I can.